The Rialto stucco with a metallic spatula effect is available in the colors gold, silver, bronze, and brass. These particular finishes are able to create interior surfaces of unique elegance. The metallic spatula color, with its reflections, exalts lights and colors in its surroundings, creating precious and unique environments. To achieve a covering metallic full effect finish, we start with Rialto Evolution's colored base coat. Rialto Stucco Oro is applied over Yellow Evolution color S015. Apply Evolution in 2 coats by stainless steel trowel with a time interval between applications of 4 to 6 hours to dry properly. With the second undercoat, we start to structure the spatula effect. On this base, we apply a coat by spatula that will define its final style. Particular attention should be paid to removing the excess material by smoothing the surface every 6 to 8 strokes. The use of Rialto Evolution as a base coat will guarantee an ideal adhesion of the metallic stucco, maximizing its performance. Let us now proceed with the final treatment. We are taking only a small quantity of stucco oro at a time. Do not forget that if the cycle is correctly performed, the consumption of metallic stucco for full metallic effect will be around 15 to 20 grams per square meter. We will proceed using the classic crisscross technique, crossing the spatulas and making sure to constantly change up the angle. With a second coat, we will give a uniform effect to the whole wall. The product dries fast and the final polishing can be made quickly. Let's polish with a soft, clean cloth with circular movements while exerting a little pressure. With each polish, its brightness and beauty will take form. The Rialto metallic stuccos can be used to realize veil effects on contrast color base. Using the same technique in the preceding example, we produce the colored base with Rialto Evolution. We choose a contrast tint to promote the metal shadow. In this example, we start from an Evolution green color S286 and complete with silver stucco by spatula. Only one coat is enough to obtain veiled metallic reflections. Let's finish with a final polish to uniform the effect on the whole wall. The possibilities of combinations between the base colors and metallic stuccos leave ample space for creative expressions through the application. All the metallic stuccos are compatible and mixable among themselves, making the combination of possible effects endless.